Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and getting to the new tab Shortcuts area. Type Chrome, //settings, or open a new tab and click Customize. Once there, go to Shortcuts or Search Engines depending on your Chrome build. You want to see existing shortcuts so you can edit or remove them. Make sure you're signed into the correct profile if you use multiple profiles, since shortcuts are profile-specific. Now identify the shortcut you want to change, name, URL, or icon, and get ready to edit it directly. Next, click Edit on the Shortcut tile or use the three-dot menu to open details. Change the name to something concise so you recognize it quickly, and paste the full URL including https:// to avoid redirects. Once edited, hit Save. Chrome updates the tile immediately, but sometimes a refresh of the new tab is needed. If you're replacing a default search or suggestion, remove duplicates to prevent conflicts. Repeat for each shortcut you want to adjust until your layout matches. Finally, tidy up by deleting any shortcuts you no longer need. That keeps the grid clean and prevents confusion. Once done, confirm the new shortcuts open the correct pages and icons appear as expected. If changes don't show, clear cache or restart Chrome, and make sure Chrome Sync is enabled so edits propagate to other devices. If a shortcut still reverts, check for extensions or enterprise policies that may override local changes, and disable the culprit before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.